Topps Chrome Hobby. Pick your team number 5, 2-box undermarket NBA store boxes. Good luck. Who's picking the boxes? Who's picking the boxes? I kind of have a feel. I kind of have a feel of where we're going. Anybody want to pick? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and me. Top right, and I'll go 4. Swing dog, shit, too late. Too late, I picked them. You guys took too long. What's up, Swing dog? Long time no see. How are you, bud? I'll get you modded up right after this. If these boxes suck, you guys can, you guys can blame me. We are doing the parallel filler from... We're doing the pick your teams and the parallels from this. I'll probably add in one more pick your team, guys. I think the color might move a little bit better, to be honest with you. Dudes, thank you for the fill. Honestly, thank you. If you're out there, thank you so much. It's great to hear from you. It's been a long time. Oh, thanks, Bert. Yeah, I'll be on football on Sunday morning, guys. Before the game. I'll be on. Thank you. Yeah, I'll be on early. Me and Mr. Sam will be on early, and then we'll get off probably after lunch. Right around lunchtime, we'll probably get off so we can catch the game. Good luck, guys. I gotta see a great box. We gotta see a great 2-boxer here. We gotta. Last 2 was a little tough. Overall, though, these 25 boxes or however many we've had was really good. Overall. Hopefully we got a few more good boxes here. After this, we'll do the Blaster full case, guys. Blaster player full case will be next. And then we'll work on our 1-box Sapphire and our full case hangers. Good luck, guys. Thank you. Ooh. All right, blue auto right on the top. Little sweat, little sweat, little sweat. Kanipo base. The base card. Purple wave of Fleming to 75 for the Suns. Big Deuce. MPJ on the negative. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's just upside down. That's just upside down. Fucking threw me off. I was like, what is that? That's just an upside down base card. Threw me off. Bridges on the wave. Steph Refractor. Levine. There's a Cooper flag. We got a blue wave for Miami. Siaka Tunis to 150. Blue auto is... Be a nice one for us. We deserve it. It's my boy. It's a color match to 150 of Noah Penda on the Topps Issued auto. Big Deuce on a kill. Oh, next stop. Sorry, next stop. I always get that confused. All right. Not the strongest box. Couple rookies. Box 2. DeAndre Hunter on the wave. Magenta of Shaquille O'Neal for the Lakers at Windy City. $3.99. Hugo on the Aqua to $1.99. Celtics. Got something. Oh, never mind. Harper. I lied. Looked like I had something. Oh, maybe a gold auto? All right. Guess this gold for 15. Go quickly. I'll go slow. Guess the gold for 15. It's the last card of this stack. Good luck. Quickly guess it. Quick. Let's have a small guess. Since everybody pushed. Hopefully it's an auto. That'd be awesome. Kobe Brea. Negative of THT. I'm going slow. I'm going slow, guys. Cooper flag on the Tall Tales. Alex Tuhey. Is that a Skyrite? All right. Maybe not an auto. Maybe not an auto. Maybe double auto? Here's your guess. Good luck. Here's the guess. Here is the guess. After Steven, sorry. Nobody guessed Quentin Grimes. Nobody's that sharp. 23 of 50. I honestly thought it was an auto. I honestly thought it was an auto. All right. Skyrite, say Wemby, please. Say someone massive. We need massive, please. Skyrite signatures base auto of. Okay, he's missing. Whoever this person is missing from the picture. Who picked these damn boxes? Big Deuce. Taylor Hendricks. Why is he so low on that picture? Taylor Hendricks. All right. I shouldn't pick these boxes. You guys can pick the boxes. I picked terrible. All right. There's been a couple boxes. Those are tough. Sorry, guys. Yeah, parallel's on the screen. Yep, parallel is on the screen. Yes, I have it on the screen, Fat J. Yeah, I scrubbed this one. I scrubbed it. I take responsibility for these box picks. They're trying to hide it. Sharp, hey, that was a sharp answer, Sween. Sorry, Big Deuce, thank you for the push. Sorry it didn't work out on that one. I know not every break can be great, guys, but it's tough when it's back-to-back like that. Couple nice colors, though. Hendricks, Penda, rookie blue autograph on the next stop. Thank you guys very much. Top Scroll Hobby, pick your team. Undermarket number 5, 2-box break. Thank you guys. I do have the parallel on screen, yes. Do you guys?